2024 build. It belongs to
Danny Boy.
Oh, Danny Boy. This is a car that was been in our fleet now for about a year.
Yep.
And it was a 10-year car that it sat around for 10 years in the woods. It was completely unrecognizable to what it is.
Yeah.
We worked on this car
30 days.
30 days.
Wow.
It was a 30-day
Now that's
rebuild.
over the weekends on Saturday, pretty much
And
only.
half-day Sundays.
Half a day Sunday once in a while.
If we were lucky.
So we got crazy with it. So, oh wow. All right, ready?
I go from the front and pull it back. Okay.
Woo! God. So. Alright, so it's a 1930 Model A. It's got an RJ Speed Chop chassis. The original, it's the same motor. We got a couple pieces to put on. We just ain't put them on there yet. But it's the same motor that was in the car already. It's a 3-3 stroker. With this blower on, it's 871, all from Alky Digger and the TBS. It's probably gonna make over 800 horsepower, no problem. So it's gonna be pretty wild because it's probably under 2,000 pounds. Now the wheels were custom built. These are one-off by JTX Forge. There is no other wheel by JTX Forge like this. They built them specifically for us, for this car. So they're 8-inch front by 18, and the backs are 20 by 15. Yeah, we'll fire it up.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Oh yeah.
Here with Racers and Rods, they just did the huge unveiling of the brand new build of the year. Beautiful build. Look how beautiful this is inside. Check out this interior. This is immaculate. This is a 30-day build that Trasher Classics has done this year.
Wow, that's cool.
Isn't that insane? All of this in 30 days. Imagine what they could do in an entire year. This is absolutely gorgeous. All the detail in here. It's beautiful. I'm a fan for sure. And guys, this is Miss Racing Hell from Pin Up Pumps, and you are watching Racers and Rods.